Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create our storage account in Azure cloud. So before moving into that, let me first discuss what storage account is. So storage account is one of the Azure service that provide you the durable, scalable and the secure platform to store your data. And mainly here we have four type of storage. We have blob, we have file, then queue type of storage and table storage. So why only these four? Because these four are the commonly used storages that people use. So Microsoft, they club these four services or four storage together and put those under the storage account. So let me go to the portal. So this is the portal, and let me show you how we can create that. So you can go to this panel here. Either you can go to all services. If you go here under storage, yeah, so under storage you have this option storage account. So you can come here, or if you are not finding that option, then you can directly search the storage account and you will be landing up on the same page. So let's create one. So I have clicked on the create. Then we need to provide all this information. So subscription is because I'm using the sandbox environment, so by default it is taking the subscription. Then if you want, you can create your resource group. So resource group is nothing but it groups number of services together. So if you have some application where you want to club or group number of services together, and those you can delete. If you want to delete all those services together, then you can directly delete your resource group altogether. Let it be the default resource group. Let me select the storage account name. That's and you need to give the unique storage account name here, because this storage account name will be uniquely globally unique. It should be globally unique, and this will be the storage account name will be used in your URL as well. For example, if you want to access your file storage, blob storage and other type of storage, then this will be there in your URL. So make sure you provide the unique information here, unique name here. And then let's select any region and select the region closest to your application, who will be consuming the data from this storage account. And then we have these options. So as of now I'm just selecting by default, but in my upcoming videos I will be discussing all these options, what is standard, what is premium, and what all these options are. So just for the sake of creating the storage account, I'm just by default selecting everything. So go to advanced option. So we have all these options, so I will be discussing these in more detail. Okay, but as of now let's keep it default. Let's go to data protection. I don't want to specify any tag. Let's review and create this one. And Microsoft, it also does some validation. So if you can see here that validation is running and now it is passed. Let's click on the create. Yeah, so deployment is in process. So it will take a couple of minutes to create your storage account. So let's wait for that. Yeah, now you can see the deployment has been completed. Let's go to the resources. So now you have your brand new storage account. So we have in the overview section, we have all this information, like what options we had selected. You can see all this option, and I will be discussing all this option in more detail in my upcoming videos. And you can see mainly we have these four kind of services, like blob service, file service, queue service, and table service, and I will be discussing all these four type of service in greater detail. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll be discussing more in my upcoming video. Yeah, thank you guys.